myself Surya, second BCom A of KCS Kazinagar College of Arts and Science. Today we see types of mutual funds in financial services. First we see meaning of mutual funds. Mutual funds is a type of financial vehicle made up of a pool of money collected from many investors to invest in securities like bonds, stocks, money market instruments and other assets. Now see the types of mutual funds. Mutual funds can be categorized into two types. One is structure and another one is investment objectives. In structure there is two heads. One is open end and another one is a close end. Open end is purchased and redeemed anytime. In close end, subscription for a limited period and then no further investors can buy units. Next, investment objectives can be categorized into three types. So one is equity fund and then debt fund and the last is hybrid fund. In equity funds means it invests in all companies and it has high returns and high risk. Next, debt fund means it has fixed incomes like bonds, government bonds or corporate bonds. It has low risk and low returns. Next, hybrid funds. It has a combination of equity and debt fund. It has moderate risk and moderate returns. Next, equity fund types. It has various types. One is a large cap. It means invest in large companies. It has a lower risk in equities categories. Next, mid cap. Invest in mid-sized companies, higher risk than large cap. Next, small caps. Invest in small companies, higher risk in equity category, high returns. Next, multi-cap. Multi-cap is a combination of large, mid and small caps. Invest in across all companies, lower risk in equity category. Next, thematic fund. Thematic fund is a invest in a particular sector like banking sector and financial sector. It has higher risk. Next, ELSS fund. It is a tax saving fund. It has save under 80 crores up to 1.5 lakhs. It has a 3 years lock-in period. Next, debt fund categories. It has 4 categories: dynamic based funds, short term funds, long term funds and gilt fund. Next is hybrid funds. It has balance funds and MIPs. Balance fund is more than 65% in equity and the rest at debt. And MIP means monthly income payments. It has a less than 65% equity holding and the rest of us are debt holding. So the types of mutual funds is a structured investment and it has open end and close end and equity, debt, hybrid funds and as types of equity funds and debt funds and hybrid funds. It is a short structure of mutual funds, but it has many branches. Thank you.